Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today we journey to Chengdu, the land of abundance, a city where ancient history and vibrant modernity blend. Here, the pace is unhurried, the culture rich, and the cuisine world-renowned. From ancient temples to bustling streets, Chengdu invites you to slow down and savor each moment. Join me as we uncover the secrets, flavors, and enduring charm of Sichuan's provincial jewel. Our journey begins with Chengdu's most famous residents, the giant pandas at the Chengdu Research Base. This world-renowned sanctuary is dedicated to the survival of this vulnerable species, offering a rare chance to see pandas in a naturalistic setting. From playful cubs to serene adults, each panda here is a testament to conservation efforts and a reminder of what's at stake in the wild. Witnessing these gentle creatures is a moving experience, one that connects us to the wonders of the natural world. Next, we step into history at the Wuhu Shrine, dedicated to Zhuge Liang, the legendary strategist of the Three Kingdoms. This temple complex, with its ancient cypress trees and intricate architecture, honors wisdom and loyalty, preserving stories from China's dramatic era. Statues and steles bring the romance of the Three Kingdoms to life, making the past feel vivid and immediate. The Wuhu Shrine is a living museum, a place where legends endure. Just beyond the shrine, Jinli Ancient Street bursts with life and flavor. Here, the air is thick with the aromas of sizzling Sichuan street food, and the energy is infectious. Traditional wooden buildings and glowing lanterns set the scene for a feast of local snacks. Dan Dan noodles, spicy skewers, sweet rice balls. Artisans display shoe embroidery and lacquerware, offering a glimpse into Chengdu's folk culture. Wandering Jinli, snack in hand, is a delicious immersion into the city's vibrant spirit. We leave the city for the awe-inspiring Leshan Giant Buddha, carved into a cliff where three rivers meet. Towering at 71 meters, this ancient statue has watched over the waters for over a millennium, a marvel of faith and engineering. Whether seen from a boat or up close on the cliffside path, the Buddha's serene expression and immense scale inspire wonder. Its creation is a story of perseverance and devotion. The Leshan Buddha stands as a symbol of spiritual tranquility and human achievement. Ascend to Mount Qingcheng, shrouded in mist and legend, as one of Taoism's birthplaces. The journey winds through bamboo groves and ancient temples, each step a retreat from the modern world. At the summit, breathtaking views or swirling clouds await, offering a sense of harmony between humanity and the natural world. Mount Qingcheng is more than a hike, it's a spiritual immersion. At Dujiangyan, witness a marvel of ancient engineering. The world's oldest no-dam irrigation system, still in use after 2,200 years. This ingenious system tames the Min River, transforming the Chengdu Plain into fertile farmland. Its design works with nature, a testament to the wisdom of its creators. Dujiangyan is the silent engine behind Chengdu's abundance. As night falls, Chengdu dazzles with Sichuan opera, a spectacle of music, acrobatics, and drama. The highlight is Bianlian, face-changing, where performers swap masks in a blink, leaving audiences spellbound. This closely guarded art is a thrilling blend of magic and tradition. To witness Sichuan opera is to experience the beating heart of local culture. To feel Chengdu's soul, visit People's Park, the city's living room. Here, locals practice Tai Chi, play mahjong, and linger in tea houses, savouring jasmine tea and conversation. The park is alive with music, laughter, and the clatter of mahjong tiles. Unique traditions like ear-picking add to the charm. In People's Park, you're not just a visitor, you're part of the city's daily ritual. Explore the wide and narrow alleys where Qing Dynasty architecture meets modern style and history. Wide Alley offers tranquil tea houses and elegant restaurants, while Narrow Alley buzzes with trendy cafes and art galleries. Well Alley embraces youth culture and creative retail shops, Strolling these alleys is a walk through Chengdu's evolving identity. The Chengdu Museum tells the city's story through millennia of artifacts, from Neolithic relics to folk culture exhibits, each piece revealing a chapter of the past. Highlights include mysterious Sanxingdui bronzes and treasures from every dynasty. It's a masterfully curated journey through Chengdu's rich and continuous history. As evening falls, Anshan Bridge glows over the Jin River, a symbol of Chengdu's romantic side and vibrant city life. This elegant structure houses a renowned restaurant and offers stunning views of the illuminated riverscape. The bridge's history stretches back centuries, though today's version is a modern homage to the past. Anshan Bridge is the perfect place to end a day of exploration. South of Chengdu lies Huanglongxi Ancient Town, a riverside gem with 1,700 years of history. Its flagstone streets, stilted Ming and Qing buildings and ancient temples form a living tableau of old Sichuan. Wander without a plan, cross bridges, watch fishermen, and try the famous one noodle noodle. Huanglongxi is an authentic escape into the rhythms of traditional life. Back in Chengdu, Qingyang Palace stands as one of China's oldest Taoist temples. Its tranquil gardens and grand halls are steeped in legend, including the famous bronze goat statue said to bring good fortune. Devotees light incense and offer prayers, continuing centuries-old traditions. Qingyang Palace remains a living center of faith and philosophy. Visit Dufu's thatched cottage, a serene memorial to China's revered poet-sage. Amid bamboo groves and tranquil gardens, the humble cottage evokes Dufu's life, his poetry, and his deep empathy for the common people. Exhibits throughout the memorial celebrate his poetry and enduring influence. Walking these peaceful paths is to connect with the spirit of Chinese literature. At the Sichuan Cuisine Museum, immerse yourself in the flavors that define this region. Discover the history of Sichuan cooking, from ancient utensils to the famed mala spice. Join a hands-on cooking class and savor your own creations. The museum's interactive approach deepens your appreciation for Sichuan's culinary artistry. For food lovers, it's an experience not to miss. Wangjiang Pavilion Park honors Tang Dynasty poet Zhui Tao and her love of bamboo. Stroll through groves of over 150 bamboo species, a tranquil escape in the city. The iconic pavilion offers sweeping river views. It's a peaceful blend of nature, history, and poetry. At Sino-Ocean Taikoo Li, the ancient Dachi Temple anchors a cutting-edge open-air shopping district, blending history and innovation. Traditional Sichuan architecture meets modern luxury, creating a vibrant space for both reflection and retail experiences. Cafes, boutiques, and the temple's quiet courtyards all coexist in perfect harmony. Taikoo Li is a bold statement of Chengdu's cosmopolitan spirit and vibrant urban life. Chengdu Eastern Suburb Memory turns a former factory into a vibrant hub for music, art, and performance. Industrial relics become dramatic backdrops for galleries, theatres, and live music venues. The site pulses with youthful energy and creativity. It stands as a symbol of Chengdu's transformation and creative future. At Sanxingdui Museum, encounter the mysterious bronze masks and artifacts from the ancient Shu Kingdom. These enigmatic relics, with their alien-like features, have rewritten the history of Chinese civilization. The museum presents a fascinating puzzle. Who were these people, and what did their art mean? Sanxingdui remains one of archaeology's greatest enigmas. The Jinsha Site Museum tells the story of the Shu Kingdom, built atop a major archaeological discovery. Walk above pits filled with jade, ivory, and the exquisite sun and immortal bird's gold foil. The museum reveals a civilization of wealth and artistry. Jinsha is a vital piece of Chengdu's ancient puzzle. Our journey ends at Tianfu Square, Chengdu's symbolic heart. This vast plaza, crowned by a statue of Chairman Mao, pulses with city life. Families, commuters, and evening fountain shows. Surrounded by museums and cultural landmarks, it's where Chengdu's past, present, and future all converge. Tianfu Square is the grand stage of a dynamic city. Our journey through Chengdu reveals a city of balance, ancient and modern, tranquil and vibrant. From pandas to poets, temples to tea houses, Chengdu's spirit endures in every detail and moment. It's a place that nourishes the soul and inspires all who visit this remarkable city. The land of abundance awaits, ready to enchant, delight, and endure.